How to understand Hertz PlatePass Tolling. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Hertz PlatePass Tolling option, and to understand this, as you can see in their official website, a prepaid toll service and bypass toll booths on your drive. No more waiting in long lines searching for coins, cash, or waiting for receipts. With PlatePass all-inclusive tolling, you cruise right through traffic and into the express lane. And for a low daily rate, PlatePass all-inclusive tolling offers prepaid tolling as well. And also, the zone consists of local streets and avenues at or below 60th Street, excluding FDR Drive, West Side Highway Route 9A, and Ha El Kerry Tunnel connection to West Street. Also, the daily amount will depend on time of entry, type of vehicle, and method of payment as well. And also, plenty of toll roads have now converted to all electronic tolling that no longer offers traffic booths for travelers to stop and pay tolls in person. If your travel leads you through a toll road with no option to stop and pay, PlatePass all-inclusive tolling is the perfect solution. Be sure to check with the local tolling authority for all available payment options. And this is what you need to know about PlatePass in Hertz. And this is how to understand Hertz PlatePass Tolling. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.